Has anyone ever received a VA home loan with just their disability income? My husband is 90% with VA, and I just started a job. They won't count my income to buy the house. There's kind of two questions.
There's two questions there. Obviously, I would like to know more about what her employment history was, experience, reason for not being employed. Was it to be a caregiver? What are some of the other issues surrounding her lack of employment? But yes, I have done numerous VA transactions north of Boston where a veteran is 100% disabled and was able to buy a house with no job. You have to qualify, you have to have the credit, you have to all the pieces, but that is stable income. And most of the time, my veterans that are at the 90% to 100% will also potentially have Social Security income, and Massachusetts offers a couple other benefits there as well that we incorporate. So yes.
Easy answer. There's no provision under the law that you cannot obtain a VA loan if you don't have a job. Period.
End story.
Well, and another thing too is you got a couple of things here. Number one, if you're 90 to 100%, typically depending on what county you're going in, you're probably going to be real estate tax exempt, which gives you another ability to, afford a house.
In most states, yes.
Right.
Yeah.
And then another thing too is just as long as you meet residual income, I would think that any lender could then use the gross up option to make it look better as far as from a DTI perspective to make an underwriter feel.
Yeah, I mean, if that loan was an approved eligible loan and the ratios were a little high, but the residual was there.
Yeah.
I mean, you put the compensating factor of that file is the non-borrowing spouse's income that's there, which we know is going to be there. Which in reality, the debt ratios are going to be significantly lower than what we see on paper,
Yep.
and that's how VA is incredible at stories and making it work because it is common sense approach to home ownership.
Yeah, big picture, right?
Big picture.
Big pictures. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. Well, thank you again for joining another episode of Homeownership Heroes Military Spouse Monday. I'm Bryan Bergjans, my special guest Rick Bettencourt and John Bell III. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.